let's start with chapter number 13, Animal Around Us. In this chapter, we will study about the different animals we see around us. Some are big, some are small, and we have different animals. Some animals are known as pet animals, domestic animals, wild animals, and water animals. We have some animals that lives on trees, जिन्हें हम arboreal animals कहते हैं. Let's start with the chapter. Animals all around us. Some animals are big, some are small, and some are very small. कुछ छोटे होते हैं और कुछ बहुत ही छोटे होते हैं. जैसे आपके insects होते हैं. Now wild animals. What are wild animals? Animals that live in forest are called wild animals. Like we have lion, zebra, bear, tiger. These are wild animals. In forest, some animals lives in caves, some in water, and some lives in trees. Like lion, giraffe, zebra, snake, bear. What are these? These are called wild animals. Now, next we have domestic animal, जो हमारे घर पे रहते हैं, हमारे farms में रहते हैं. So some animals at our home and our farm, they are useful to us in many ways. They are called domestic animals like cow, buffalo, camel, horses, sheep. What are these? These all are your domestic animals. Then we have pet animal. We keep some animals in our home. जिन्हें हम घर में रखते हैं, like a cat, dog, parrot, rabbit. What are these? These are pet animal. बहुत लोग देखा ना अपने घर में एक्वेरियम रखते हैं, उसमें fish होती है, तो it is also an pet animal. Now we have food of animals. Different animals eat different types of food. So some animals eat grass, leaves, stems, flowers, fruits or seeds. What are these called? These animals are called herbivores. जो plants और plant products खाते हैं, they are known as herbivores, like your elephant, goat and your horse. Cow, what are these? These are your herbivores. Then animals that eat flesh of other animal, they are called carnivores, like your lion, tiger and wolf. What are these? These are carnivores animal. ये क्या करता है? Animals को मारते हैं, flesh खाते हैं फिर. Now we have some animals जिन्हें हम omnivores कहते हैं. These are the animals that eat both plants as well as flesh of other animals. Some animals eat both plants and flesh of other animals. They are called omnivores, like crow, sparrow, bear, dog. What are these? These are omnivores क्योंकि plants भी खाते हैं और flesh भी खाते हैं. Now food from animals. We get different foods from animals. जैसे cow, buffalo, goat हमें क्या देती है? Milk देती है. ठीक है. Hen हमें egg देती है. ठीक है. What are these? These are the different food items that we get from animals. Animals are useful to us in many ways. Buffalo, cows, goat. What they gives us? They gives us milk. We call them milk animals. We make butter. हम क्या बनाते हैं milk से? Butter, ghee, curd, paneer. Some animals like ducks and hens. What they gives us? They gives us egg. We eat the flesh of some animals like chickens and goats and sheep. And we get honey and wax from honeybees. Honey और wax हमें किससे मिलती है? Honeybees से. They collect nectar from flower. ये flower से nectar collect करते हैं. And what they make? Honey in the honeycomb. Now, keeping bees for honey is called apiculture. जब आप honey क्या करते हैं? Bees से honey बनाते हैं तो उसको कहते हैं apiculture. And honey is sweet. कैसा होता है? मीठा होता है. And we use honey in many ways. ठीक है. बहुत लोग तो उसको ऐसे plain खाते हैं. Some we used in our different diet also. Now other uses of animals. Some animals are used in farming. Like bullocks, they are used to plow field and draw carts. ये field को plow करते हैं और carts draw करते हैं. Some animals carry load for us. उन्हें क्या बोला जाता है? Beast of burden. Bullocks, he-bulls, camels, donkeys, they are used as beast of burden. And horses are used for riding and pulling of toga. देखा हम horses का use करते हैं riding के लिए toga. ये आपको ज़्यादातर चीज़ें कहाँ देखने को मिलती है? Village area में. Right? We see them in the villages. Now, we have completed this chapter. It was very interesting. Hope you understood. In this chapter, I have told you about the different animals. We have pet animals, domestic animals, wild animals, and then I have told you about the different food eating habits of the animals. Some have herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. That's all for today. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.